Mounting actuators to valves requires coupling the male valve stem with the actuator drive shaft. This is accomplished with a coupler connecting the valve stem to the actuator drive shaft and a bracket that holds the actuator to the valve. As you can see, the coupler fits on top of the valve stem and inside the actuator mating with the drive shaft. The bracket is bolted to the bottom of the actuator and the top of the valve body. Historically, bracket kits have been designed and machined by specialty bracket kit manufacturers. These kits typically cost between $75 and $125 depending upon size. Flo-Tite has developed a universal mounting kit illustrated here that has been designed to mount a variety of actuator sizes to valve. The Flo-Tite kits are reasonably priced from between $15 to $25 and easily adapted with minimum effort and tools. Contact Flo-Tite for additional information on their universal mounting kits